Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is ABCD is a parallelogram. L and M are points on AB and DC respectively, such that AL equals to CM. The diagonal BD intersects LM at point O. If AB equals to 13 cm, AD equals to 9 cm and LO equals to 5 cm, find the length of MO. Here we have given that ABCD is a parallelogram and AL equals to CM. Here, let us draw a figure from given. ABCD is a parallelogram B, C and D. Then L and M are the points on AB and DC. L and M, suppose this is L and this is M. We have given that AL equals to CM. So the distance should be like this. Then the diagonals BD intersects LM. Diagonal BD intersects LM at point O here. Okay. Now here we have to find length MO. I have to find length MO. Now AB equals to CD because these are opposite sides of parallelogram, so these are equal. Then subtract AL from both sides, we get AB minus AL equals to CD minus AL. Now AB minus AL is LB. This is equals to CD minus AL equals to CM. So it is CM. So LB equals to CD minus CM means DM. In triangle BLO and triangle MDO, as AB is parallel to CD and taking DB as a transversal, so angle MDO equals to angle LBO. AB is parallel to CD and taking DB as a transversal. LB equals to DM. And angle OMD equals to angle OMLB. This is also because AB is parallel to CD and taking ML as a transversal. So, by ASA criteria of congruency. Triangle BLO is congruent to triangle MDO. Congruent to triangle MDO. Therefore, MO equals to LO, and as we have given that LO equals to 5 centimeter, so MO will also be 5 centimeter. So our correct option is option A.